Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 23rd day of February 2026. Great to be with you again. The Just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room. Here's a trade taken in the room today by myself and traders in the room. So the setup is the same as what we look for just about every day. We look for a very strong candle. We use our strong candle indicator, which is this little pyramid pointing downward, saying, go ahead and take this trade short. It's a strong candle. Chances of getting paid are very, very good. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to look over here at the PVI. I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 80 and 100 ticks in length. We'll pair that with our ATM. We'll go for 20s, de-risk the trade, and we'll have runners of 50 and 100. So here we go. We just need this to make a little bit of a move up, and we'll go from there. So here it goes. Come on. There we go. Put it down at the body of the candle. As soon as we get picked up, we can speed it up a little bit. First of all, what we got to do is put our stop where it belongs, and then we can go ahead and speed it up and see what the result is. Now you'll notice that when our first trade gets taken out, we go ahead and we de-risk the trade from all the way up there down to here. So now it's a break-even position. So if the market comes back and takes me out, then we can either decide whether we want to re-enter this or not. So this market's been going pretty good. This is our 100-tick target. The first two targets were hit relatively quickly. And here we go into, of course, it's always the last 10 ticks that take the longest, right? So now we just sit here and wait to take me out. There we go. Took me out. That trade took less than 3 minutes to complete and was worth 955 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 955 US dollars in less than 3 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com, home of the very unique indicators, including the strong candle indicator we used again today. So we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.